Look at the towering 3-story standing behind me. You know what, this one's got over 3,000 square feet above grade. Let's go see what they've been working on. So this one, tiles going in, kitchen's already here, hardwood's about to happen, big open concept main floor. Let's go check out the second level. So the second level here has laundry room, 2 big bedrooms with their own en-suites. This one's huge master bedroom. And you know what? There's another floor we gotta go check out. So this is what I love about Deanmark 3 stories. You know what? You've got a half bath up here with this huge rec area. And you know what? The real surprise is over this way. It's a 3rd master bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, 3 of them above grade, all have attached en-suites. This one's got a beautiful view. Absolutely love this. Stay tuned for updates.